Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add grid lines, columns, and rows in Canva. If you've ever struggled to keep elements perfectly aligned or to build consistent layouts, grids and guides will save you a ton of time and make your designs look polished and intentional. Whether you're designing a website banner, a social media post, or even marketing materials for your Shopify store, having your elements aligned properly is key to a professional-looking result. Grids and guides are your best friends in this process. Start by opening your design in Canva with your project on the screen. Go to File in the top left corner, then choose View Settings and click Add Guides. This is where Canva gives you quick presets if you want a fast layout. You'll see options like 12 columns, 6 columns, or a simple 3x3 grid. Presets are great for common layouts, especially if you are working on web or social designs and need a consistent structure without much setup. These options are perfect for Shopify store owners who want to maintain a clean, structured design, whether it's for a product page or promotional content. A 12-column grid, for example, is perfect for evenly spaced product images, while a simple 3x3 grid could be ideal for blog post thumbnails or social media posts. If you want full control, stay in the Add Guides panel and switch to the Custom tab. Here, you can set the exact number of rows and columns, define the gutter, which is the spacing between columns and rows, and add margins around the edges of your design. Think of gutters as breathing room between sections, helping text blocks, images, and buttons avoid crowding each other. For example, when designing product grids for your Shopify store, gutters help ensure that your images and product descriptions don't look squished together, making the page more readable and user-friendly. Margins keep important content away from the edges, so nothing looks cramped or gets cut off when exported or printed. Margins are especially important for print materials like flyers, posters, or even business cards, where content getting cut off can lead to a poor final result. As you adjust these numbers, you'll see the guides update on the canvas, so you can dial in the layout that fits your content. The visual feedback makes it easy to tweak and find the perfect balance between content and spacing, giving you a design that feels intentional and well-planned. Next, turn on rulers so you can place guides exactly where you want them. Go back to File, choose View Settings, and select Show Rulers and Guides. Horizontal and vertical rulers will appear along the top and left of your canvas. This is an excellent feature because it allows for even more precision when positioning elements. For example, if you're aligning your logo with a heading, you can use the rulers to ensure it's perfectly centered. Click and drag from a ruler into your design to add a guideline wherever you need it. This is perfect for aligning a logo, centering a headline, or matching spacing across multiple pages. As a Shopify store owner, using guides in this way ensures that your logo appears consistently across all product pages, marketing materials, and advertisements. You can drag the guide to reposition it until it lines up with your elements. By default, guides are locked, which helps prevent accidental shifts as you design. This is especially helpful when you're working on a complex design with many moving parts. If you need to move a guide, open the same View Settings menu and toggle the lock off. Adjust your guide positions, then lock them again so they stay put while you work. This small habit keeps your layout stable and reduces mistakes, especially when you're working with multiple elements like text, images, and buttons. When you're working on a larger project or multiple pages for your Shopify store, this feature ensures consistency and saves you time. When you are done with your layout or want to start fresh, go back to File, open View Settings, and click Clear Guides. Your canvas will return to a clean slate, ready for your next design. Clearing guides is especially useful when you want to experiment with a new layout without the old guides cluttering your workspace. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you create more organized, professional designs in Canva. Remember, grids and guides are powerful tools to keep your designs neat and aligned, giving your Shopify store a polished and cohesive look. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on designing, branding, and building your online store.